Hello and happy 4th of July from A Few Moments in Science here at WGVU. My name is Mike Philman, the Education Coordinator here, and today for our Few Moments in Science, we're going to celebrate the 4th of July with a patriotic kind of science twist and theme. First, some science facts about the fireworks. Did you know that the makers of the firework casings and shellings, they have to wear cotton clothing while they're doing their job? This is because the synthetic clothing is a conductor of static electricity, and they don't want to put themselves in any danger while doing their job. Also, the mixture of different metals from the periodic table of elements gives us our dazzling, different bright colors that you see. For instance, the copper produces blue sparks. A mixture of strontium salts, lithium salts, and other substances, they make the red. Aluminum and titanium give us the white that we see. Barium makes green, and calcium burns orange, and sodium burns yellow. Lastly, why is it you see the fireworks colors first and then you hear the big bang and the big boom? Easy. That's because the speed of light travels faster than the speed of sound. If you see the firework, count how many seconds before you hear the boom and divide that number by 3. And that's how many kilometers away from the firework you are. Now, let's revisit a previous Few Moments in Science episode titled The Red, White, and Blue Aquarium that deals with densities of various liquids. Enjoy and have a happy, safe 4th of July from WGVU and A Few Moments in Science. Thank you. Welcome to A Few Moments in Science. My name's Mike, and I'm the Education Person Coordinator here at WGVU and Science Person as well. And today we're going to kind of do a red, white, and blue aquarium, so to speak, kind of follow a patriotic theme a little bit. And what I've got, and we're going to kind of tie it in with density. And last week on A Few Moments in Science, we did some work with density and eggs floating in salt water and how some things float and sink in different kinds of liquids. This one follows kind of the same theme, all right? I've got in this container here, I've got just regular water and rubbing alcohol and food coloring. Rubbing alcohol is lighter, so when I submerge it into the aquarium, it should float because the rubbing alcohol is lighter. In this container, I've got salt water and blue food coloring, obviously, okay? What I'm gonna do when I submerge that then, salt water is heavier, so it should sink to the bottom of the aquarium, all right? So I'm gonna submerge them in and take the tops off, and hopefully the red being rubbing alcohol and food coloring and water should float, and the blue being salt water should sink. Here we go. And if you look carefully, you should be able to see the red layer on top, the white, even though it's not white, but the liquid in the middle, and then the blue on the bottom. Rubbing alcohol on top, salt water on the bottom. Densities, allow those colors to separate and sink or float. Thank you for watching A Few Moments in Science, and you can have fun with it. Thanks.